Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics derivations easily. First, let's simplify the process. Begin by breaking down each derivation into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach helps prevent overwhelm and allows you to focus on one part at a time. Next, ensure you fully grasp the fundamental physical principles and concepts involved before attempting the mathematical manipulation. Understanding the why behind each step is crucial for true mastery. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step breakdown. Clearly identify all variables, constants, and known equations at the start. Then, meticulously trace the logical progression from the initial assumptions to the final derived equation. A highly effective technique is to rewrite the derivation yourself, explaining each step out loud as if teaching it to someone else. This active recall reinforces your understanding and highlights any gaps in your knowledge. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your understanding. Regularly attempt to reproduce derivations from memory without consulting your notes. This active recall strengthens neural pathways. Furthermore, apply the derived formulas by solving a variety of related problems. This helps you see the practical utility and reinforces the meaning of each term. Try working through at least 3 different variations of a derivation to ensure comprehensive mastery. Finally, regular review and seeking clarity are essential for long-term retention. Dedicate about 15 minutes each week to revisit the most challenging derivations. Pinpoint any specific steps or concepts that still confuse you and actively seek explanations from your instructor or peers. Always strive to connect new derivations to previously learned principles, building a cohesive understanding of physics. This holistic approach will make derivations much easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.